I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
Hi guys, how's everyone doing? I hope you're all staying safe and sane during quarantine, if you are still quarantined. Today I'm here to show you how to create this super smoky, sultry, dramatic liner look. So let's get started. I'm starting off by applying a small piece of tape to the outer corners of my eyes, following my lower lash line. You can always apply the tape to the back of your hand before you apply it to your eyes, in case you feel like it's too tacky. Next, I'm grabbing some black pencil liner on a pencil brush and I'm smudging that along my upper lash line and out into a wing. If you don't have a creamy black pencil liner, you can always use a black eyeshadow for this step. I'm just using this liner because I love how dark it is. And also don't worry about this being too perfect. We'll be going over it with a lot of eyeshadow. Then I am patting a deep matte brown eyeshadow over the black we just applied. Next I'm grabbing a blending brush and blending all of that out, just basic side to side motions. Then I'm picking up some black eyeshadow on the same flat shader brush and I'm patting that very close to my lash line. And I'm blending it all out again with the same blending brush. I left in longer clips of me blending the shadow out in this tutorial, guys, just so you can see how long it actually takes to blend out. You get to take that tape off. Oh my god, it's so satisfying, I swear. Then I'm patting a gold shimmery eyeshadow on my mobile eyelids. You can use a bronze or any shimmery shadow you like, really, even if it's like a pop of color. I'm then lining my lower waterline with a black pencil. If you feel like the black liners are too harsh for your skin tone, you can always go in with a brown liner instead. Then I'm blending the same brown eyeshadow we used earlier along my lower lash line. Next I gave my lashes a curl and added some mascara. Doing a quick inner corner wing. For this, I'm just following the natural curve on the inner corners of my eyes and find that when you're doing the inner corner wing, the lesser product you have on your brush, the easier and cleaner the line turns out. So as you can see, I left the part where I messed up in this video so I can show you how easy it is to clean this line up. I'm just using some concealer on a tiny detail brush, and that's it. That's how you clean it. It literally takes like 10-15 seconds. Then going in and popping some lashes on. I thought I filmed the entire lash application bit so that I can include the false lash tutorial in this video, but didn't film. I think that's a sign from the universe that I need to make a separate lash video. I then decided to darken the lower lash line, so I'm blending some black eyeshadow. Next, I cleaned up my foundation under the eyes and I'm setting it with some powder. So when you're doing a dramatic look like this, everything pops better when you have a clean, bright under eye. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm then going in with my favorite liquid highlighter from NYX Cosmetics on my cheekbones and on my brow bone. I always link all of the products that I'm using in the description below, guys, so if you want to know more about a specific product or see what I'm using in case I don't mention it, it's in the description and you can check that out. And that's it, we're done, guys. I hope you enjoyed this look and learned a thing or two. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and give this video a thumbs up. It helps a lot and would mean a lot to me. I have so many looks planned for the future. So thank you so much for watching, guys, and stay safe. I love you. Bye.